In this code, see here, see the heading, passing an immutable type value to a function. Means in this program we are passing immutable type value to a function. See here, number 1, this is function header. Why? Because see here, def is written, means the full form of def is definition, and the name of function is what? My func1. The name of function is my func1. See here, in parenthesis there is a, this is known as parameter, and at last see here colon is there, that is why this is function header. Okay, see here colon is there, that is why we have to leave the space here. Okay, from 2 to 6. Why? Because function header is a compound statement, that is why in next line we have to leave the space, means indented space. So we have to leave the space here. After that, see here, number 2, print is there. After that, number 3, print statement is there. Number 4, see here, a equal to a plus 2 is there. After that, number 5, see here, again print statement is there. Number 6, see here, print statement is there. In number 7, see here, this is comment line. Okay, this symbol in Python known as comment line, single line comment. So after that, see here, underscore main underscore is written. In 8, means line 8, num is equal to 3 is written. In line 9, print statement is written. In 10, again my func1 is written, and see here in this parenthesis num is there, this is known as argument. And see here in line 11, again print statement is there. So how this particular program will execute? First, Python will execute, means read this first line, means this is function header. Okay, that is why Python will first read this, means execute this line. Why? To identify that this is particular, means this is correct function or not, means this is correct function or not. So Python will execute this line. After seeing def and colon at last, it will identify it as a function header. So after line 1, it will move to line 7. Why? Because these all are body of the function. Body of the function is executed when there is function call. So Python will ignore this line, means function body. After that, in line 7, see here, this symbol is known as comment, means single line comment is there, means underscore main underscore, means from this line the top level statement is starting. Top level statement is also known as underscore main underscore. Okay, after that, line 7, after line, see here, first line 1 will execute. After that, this full, means from 2 to 6 will skip, means this particular line from 2 to 6 will not execute. After that, Python will move from 1 to directly 7. This is comment line. So after that, it will move to line 8. See here, in line 8, num is equal to 3 is there. After line 8, it will move to line 9, and it will print this statement, means what? Print in parenthesis calling my func1 function name, parenthesis. After that, my, by passing in quotation, single quotation, num with values, again this double quotation is closed, comma and num, means this full will print. And see here, num, the value of num is what here? 3. So with this message, the value will be printed as 3. Means when this print statement will execute, this complete message will printed. This complete message will print, and see here, num, the value of num is what? 3. So 3 will print with this message. After that, in line number 10, see here, there is a function call. How we can identify that this is a function call? See here, function name is given. Okay, what is the name of function? My fun_c1. After that, in parenthesis, num is there, means this is what? Argument. And see here, this is parameter. Okay, this is parameter and this is argument. Okay, when there is a function name and parenthesis, inside parenthesis there is argument, then it is known as function call. How we can differentiate between function definition and function call? See here, in function definition it will start from def and end with colon, but when there is function call, it will start normally with function name, parenthesis, inside parenthesis argument will be there, and it will complete, means function call statement will completed. So in line 10 there is a function call, so it will move to line 1, means first identify the function name, after that it will move inside the function body, means this print statement will execute, means print quotation, after that backslash t. What do you mean by backslash t? Means tab character to leave space. So in quotation backslash t, inside the name of function what? My fun_c1, parenthesis, after that colon, and parenthesis is close. So this particular message will printed, means this message will print, means this print statement will execute and this particular message will print on the output screen. After that it will move from line 2, it will move to line 3, means this particular print statement will execute, this print statement. So see here, print, after that in parenthesis there is double quotation backslash t, means for leaving the space, after that value received in a, as after that quotation is closed and comma is there. See here, a is there. What is the value of a? See here, this is function definition. See here we are passing, this is function definition. Okay, here we are passing a as a parameter, this is function call, here we are passing num as an argument. Okay, so actually num is containing how much value? See here, the value of num is what? 3. So a will also contain value 3. So a will contain what? 3. So this particular, when this particular print statement will execute, this particular message will printed, and after that comma a is containing what? 3. So 3 will printed. After that fourth line will execute, means line number 4. See here, a equal to a plus 2, means what? After the execution of this line, what we will get? Means what will be the value of a? Means see here, a containing what? 3. 3 plus 2, 5. After that it will move to a. A is containing what? 3. Means see here, it will become what? 3 plus 3 plus 2, means total 8. How it is? See here, how it is coming? A is there, after that a plus 2 is there. A means what? 3. A is containing value 3. A is containing value 3 and 2, means here 3 plus 2, 5. Total it will become 5. Assignment operator is there. A means what? 3. This, due to assignment operator is there, this 5 will move this side. Okay, that is why 3 plus, means 5 plus 3, it will become 8. So after that line number 5 will execute, means what? Print, in parenthesis there is quotation, double quotation backslash t, value of a now changes to a, means when this print statement will execute, it will print this message, and after that a, means the value of a will become what? 8. So after that, after 5 it will move to line number 6. See here, after that it will simply print this, means it will execute this print statement and normally print this message which is present inside print statement. After this it will move to here, means it will move to line number 11. After line number 6 it will move to line number 11. Why? Because line number 10 is already executed, means there was a function call. So it will after line number 6 it will move to line number 11. So this line will execute. See here, means print statement is there, print statement will execute, means it will print the message back from my func1, the name of function, parenthesis dot value of num is num. See here, the value of num is what? The value of num is 3. So here we will also get 3. First the value was what? The value was 3. After the function call the value was converted to 8, and again when we are printing num we will get 3. Why? Because this is immutable type. In immutable type, whenever we are changing the value, the address will also change. So due to address change we will get this one when we are calling num inside the main statement. So in immutable type, any change in its value will also change the memory address. Here the value is changing, that is why the memory address is also changing in function inside the function call. But in main statement we are getting the value of num as 3. This is happening due to immutable type. Now have a look at the output produced by above code as shown below. See here, this is particular program, this is program, and this is the output. First this statement will execute, means line number 9. Okay, so we will get in output calling my func1 parenthesis by passing num in quotation, single quotation with value 3. Here num is containing what? The value of num is 3, that is why 3. After that there is a function call in line number 10, this one. See here, my func1 in parenthesis we are passing argument, means whenever there is a function call we are passing argument, but whenever we are defining any function then there is a parameter. So see here, there is a function call, so it will move to function header and after that it will move inside the function body. So the statement which are present inside the function body will execute. So see this one, means it will move to function definition and after that it will move inside the function body. So the statement, all this print statement which are present inside the function body will execute. So see here, first this statement will execute, means print backslash t. Backslash t means what? To leave the space, means backslash t means tab character. See here, there is a space due to backslash t. So inside my func1, see here, inside my func1 here in this, after that parenthesis, this particular line is executed and printed. After that it will move to line number 3, means this line. See here, in this print backslash t, due to backslash t there is a space. Okay, after that value received in a as a, till here a is containing value 3, we are getting 3 here. Means after this line it will move to, means after line number 3 it will move to line number 4. See here, in line number 4 it is containing a is equal to a plus 2, means after this calculation we will get what? 8. So it will move to line number 5 means here line number 5. See here, there is again a print statement, means print, in parenthesis there is a double quotation, after that backslash t for leaving the space here. Okay, after that value of a in single quotation. See here, this line. Okay, now changes to a. See, the value of a is changed to 8 due to this part. Due to this calculation, the value of a is previously the a containing value 3. After this line, means line number 4, it is converted to 8. Okay, after that it will move to line number 6. See here, print statement is there again. After that, there, see here, in parenthesis double quotation backslash t means for space. After that, returning from my function, means my func1 function name parenthesis, this one. Okay, this message will print. Means after this it will move to line number 10. Means after, see here, after line number 6 it will move to line number 11, because line number 10 is already executed, means there is a function, there was a function call, so it will, after line number 6 it will move to line number 11. So see here, print. After that, in parenthesis there is quotation, double quotation, back from name of the function my func1 parenthesis dot value of num in quotation is quotation double quotation close comma num, means this complete message will print. And after that, see here, num is there, so in num we will get value 3. See here, first time we were getting value 3 after calculation, means when we were inside the function body, after the calculation we were getting what, 8. And after that, see here, again we are when we are outside the function we are getting the value of num as 3. This is due to immutable. In immutable type, if the value is changing, means there is change of memory address. That is why, see here the memory address is also changed. That is why, see here, the value is representing in two different places, means value is also changing, plus there is memory change also. That is why in when we are coming back to main statement, we are not seeing the change value, because in main statement the value is same, because the, see here, the num is present inside the main statement, means there is a memory space plus the value 3. But when we are moving inside the function body, means there is a value change, means value changing to 8, and there is also a memory address, means when the value is changing, the memory address is also changing. So see here, for example, previously the value of, see here, previously num, it is containing 3, the memory address is like, for example, see here, 1001. Okay, when we are moving inside the function body, the value is changing to 8, it is containing memory address like 1004. Means the value is changing, means value is changing from 3 to 8, so memory address is also changing. This is due to immutable type. So the value got changed from 3 to 8 inside function, but not got reflected to underscore main underscore, means in main statement, means top level statement. As you can see that function my func1 received the passed value in parameter a, and then change the value of a by performing some operation on it inside function body. Inside function body means the name of function is what, my func1. The value of a got changed, but after returning from function, the name of function is what, my func1. The originally passed variable num remains unchanged. This is due to immutable type. See here, sample code 2.1, passing a mutable type value to a function, making change in place. See here, means this is a particular program. In this particular program we are passing a mutable type value. See, the program is starting from line 1 to line 10. Okay, in line 1 there is function definition. Okay, means def function name, means in line number 1 this is function definition, means function header. There is def means definition, name of the function my func2, in parenthesis there is a my list, means there is a parameter, and at last there is colon. Colon means what? It is a compound statement, so we have to leave the space here. So line 2 there is a print statement, in line 3 there is a another print statement, in line 4 there is some calculation, line 5 there is a print statement again, in line 6 there is return statement. Okay, in line 7 there is list. We know that list is a mutable type, so we are taking here list. See here, the name of list is here list1 equal to 1, and this is the symbol of list, means list is represented by square bracket. In line 8 there is a print statement, line, see here in line 9 there is a function call, means my func2, in parenthesis there is argument, the name of argument is list, means list1. In line number 10 there is another print statement. In this program if we are changing the value inside the function body, it will also change outside the function body also. Why? Due to mutable type, means here if we are changing the value there is no memory space change, means here the memory address is not changing, only the value is changing. So execution of programs will start from line number 1, means Python will first execute this line, means this function header, to identify that this is proper function or not. After that it will move to line number 7, because these all are function body. Python will skip it, means it will ignore it. So this particular Python body, means function body, will execute when there is a function call. So after line number 1 it will move to line number 7. See here, there is list1 equal to, in square bracket there is 1. After that it will, after line number 7 it will move to line number 8. There is a print statement, print, after that there is a parenthesis, double quotation, list before function call, colon, quotation close, comma, list1. Means when this print statement will execute, it will print this particular message, full message. After that, see here list1, the value of list1 is what? Here 1. So 1 will also print, means this particular message will print. After that 1 will also print. In next line, line number 9, there is a function call. See here, my func2 list1, means there is function call. So after it, Python will move from line 9 to line 1, means first it will read the function header. After that it will move inside function body, means after line number 1 it will move to line number 2. See, in line number 2 there is a print statement. So print, colon, there is backslash n, backslash t. Backslash n means new line, backslash t means tab character. So this particular message will print what? Inside called function. Now this particular message will print. Backslash n means in next line. After that backslash t means it will leave space, and this particular message will print. After that, after line number 2 it will move to line number 3, means this particular print statement will print. So see here, print, parenthesis, open, after that quotation, double quotation, backslash t, list received. colon quotation close, after that comma, means this particular message will print my list. My list is containing what? The value of my list is 1, so it will print 1. After line number 3, it will move to line number 4. In line number 4, there is some calculation where there is chances that the value will change. See here, in line number 4, after calculation of this, what we will get? We will get 3. 2 is there, my list is containing 1, means what? 2 plus 1, it will become 3. So after line number 4, it will move to line number 5, means in line number 5 there is a print statement. See here, print parenthesis open, double quotation, backslash t, list within called function, comma, after changes, means this complete message will print colon double quotation close, means this complete message will print. After that there is comma, my list. Here the my list value is changed due to this line, means some calculation is performed, that is why the value of my list is changed from 1 to 3. Till here the value was 1, but here the value is converted to 3, means previously it was 1, now after calculation it is converted to 3. So after this it will move to line number 6 and return. So it will return to line number 9. After that it will move to line number 10. In line number 10, see here, print statement is also there. So print parenthesis is open, double quotation, backslash n, list after function call, means this complete message will print. After that, see here, colon parenthesis is close, comma, list 1. See here, what will be the value of list 1 here? The value of list 1 will be 3. Why? Previously the value was what? 1, but see here, in main statement previously the value of list 1 was what? 1. After when there is function call, it move inside the function body. In function body also previously it was 1, but after some calculation in line number 4, see here, it is converted inside the function body, the value of my list to 1 to 3. So when it is moving back, means returning to line number 9, and after that it is moving to line number 10, the value of list 1 is 3, not 1. Why? Because here we are using mutable type. In mutable type the value is changes, but there is no change in memory address. So if there is any change inside the function body, it will also reflect to the outside the function body, means in main statement. See here, output is given below. See here, this is the output of the program, means first it will execute the line number 8. See here, list before function call, list before function call, list 1. Here the value of list 1 is what? 1. So it will print like this in square bracket. Why? Because this is list and list is represented by square bracket. So this particular message will print on the output screen. After that, in line number 9 there is a function call, that is why Python will move from line number 9 to function definition, and after that it will move inside the function. So in function definition there is backslash n, that is why, see here, space is left, means one line is leaving here, and after that backslash n, backslash t, due to backslash t there is a space here, and due to backslash n there is spaces here. Okay, after that there is print statement there. Print statement is there. Inside print statement this message is there inside called function now. Okay, and after that in line number 4 there is calculation. After calculation in line number 5 there is again print statement. Okay, so we will get what? See here, means in line number 4, see here, in line number 2 there is a print statement inside the function body, so we will get this message. In line number 2 there is backslash n, backslash t, due to see here, there is space due to backslash n, there is space due to backslash t. So in line number 2 there is print statement, it will print this message. After that it will move to line number 3. In line number 3 there is message like this, print statement is there, it will print like this. Means in line number 3 there is print statement containing in parenthesis what, backslash t list received. See here, backslash t, due to backslash t there is space here, okay. After that list received, and after that comma my list. Till here the value of my list is 1. After it is after this it is moving from line 3 to line number 4. In line number 4 there is some calculation, so when it will move to line number 5, in line number 5 there is again print statement, so it will change the value. In line number 5 there is print statement, it will print this message, line number 5. In line number 4 there was some calculation, so here the value of line number my list, means the value my list will change due to calculation in line number 4, and this is line number 5 print statement. So we can see easily the value is changed from 1 to 3. After that the function is completed, means it will return, it will come back to line number 9, and after that it will move to line number 10. In line number 10 you can see here there is print statement, means this message will printed here, and after that list 1, it will contain 3. Previously it was containing 1, and after that it will contain 3, because this is mutable type value. In mutable type value the value changes but the memory address is not changes. So see here, the value got changed from 1 to 3 inside function, and change got reflected to underscore main underscore also. As you can see that the function myfunc2 receives a mutable type, a list. This time the passed list1 contains value as 1 and is received by function in parameter mylist. The changes made inside function in the list mylist get reflected in the original list passed. Example in list 1 of underscore main underscore. So when you print its value after returning from function, it shows the changed value. The reason is clear. List is a mutable type, and thus changes made to it are reflected back in the caller function. One more program is there. Two program is already completed. This is last program. Sample code 2.2. In this program we are passing a mutable type value to a function, adding deleting item to it. Means we are passing value as mutable type, and here we are performing addition and deletion. So see here, programming starting from line number 1 and ending to line number 13, means this particular program containing total 13 lines. In line number 1, see here there is function header. It is clear to you, means function definition, function header, means it is also called as function header. This is definition, this is function name. The name of function is what? myfunc3. My list is a parameter, and at last see here colon. Due to colon we have to leave space, means it is a compound statement. So this all are body of the function. So Python will first execute this line to identify that it is a valid function or not. After that it will ignore the body of function. The body of function will only execute when there is a function call. So after that it will come to line number 10, list 1 equal to in square bracket 1. After that it will move to line number 11. This is print statement. After that it will move to line number 12, myfunc3. In the parenthesis there is list 1, means this is argument. After that it will move to line number 13, print statement. So how this particular program will execute, means Python will first execute this line number 1 to identify that it is a valid function or not. Okay, after that it will skip, means it will ignore all the line from line number 2 to line number 9, because this is body of function. So it will move from line number 1 to line number 10. After that it will, from line number 10 it will move to line number 11. It will move to line number 11. In line number 11 there is a print statement, so Python will print this list before function call, colon, quotation close, comma, list 1. Here the value of list 1 is what? 1. So it will print this complete message, and list 1 means this, the value of list 1 is what? In square bracket 1. So it will print this, and after that it will move to line number 12. In line number 12 there is a function call, so it will again move to line number 1, means function header, and after that it will move inside the function body, means this is function call, it will move to line number 1. This is line number 1, means this is function header. After it will move inside the function body. In line number 2 there is a print statement, means print is there in parenthesis, double quotation, backslash t inside called function now, means backslash t for leaving the tab space. So this when this particular print statement will execute, it will print this message. After that it will move to line number 3. In line number 3 there is another print statement in parenthesis, what? Quotation, backslash t, list received, backslash t for tab space, and it will print this one, and comma, and my list. My list, the value of my list is what? 1. So the value will be 1. Till here the value of my list is what? 1. After that, see here in line number 4 and line number 5 there is calculation. See here, after line number 3 it will move to line number 4. In line number 4, see here, my list dot append to. Why we use append function? We use append method to add an item to the end of the list. That is why we use append method. Why we use extend method? Append method is also used for adding multiple element to a list, but it is different from append. In line number 4 there is calculation, means what? My list dot append to. My list containing what? Value is 1. Append method is used to add the value at the last, means it is used to add an item to the end of the list. Here the list is containing what? 1. After that, due to append method we will get 2. In next line there is some calculation, means my list dot extend 5, 1. Means when we will execute this line, means this line is saying what? My list dot extend. My list means here my list is what? 1, 2 here. After this, after calculation of line number 4, the my list is becoming 1, 2. But here in line number 5, my list dot extend, means we are extending my list which is containing 1 and 2. So my list dot extend 5, 1. So after execution of line number 5, we will get what? We will get 1, 2, 5, 1. We will get like this. Okay. This is coming due to extend method, and this is coming to due to append method. This is extend and this is append method. So we are getting like this. So in it, after line number 5 it will move to line number 6. In line number 6 there is a print statement, means print parenthesis, double quotation, backslash t, list after adding some element. Due to backslash t it is a tab character, means it will leave some space, means it will leave tab space. So it will print this complete message. And my list, here my list is containing what? 1, 2, 5 comma and 1. So it will print this one. Why the value is changing here? Due to some calculation. The calculation is performed in line number 4 and 5. That is why the list means my list value is changing. See here, till here the value was what? Till here the value was 1. And after line number 4 and after line number 5, the value is converted to 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma and comma 1. Like this the value is changing. After that, see here, means these two process means these two method is used for adding. In this program we have to perform deletion also. So after line number 4 and 5 there is a print statements. Print statement is there to check the element is means the value is added or not, means the element is added or not, the item is added to the list or not. So after this print it is clear that item is added to the list, means addition is completed. Now we will perform deletion. For deletion we will use a remove method of list. So see here, my list, the name of my list means what? My list is here parameter. So my list dot remove means we want to remove 5 from the list, means in list the list is containing what? 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma and 1. In list containing this means 1 2 5 and 1, but we want to remove 5. So if we will remove 5, so we will get what? 1 comma 2 comma and 1. Like this we will get. So due to remove method we will remove 5 from the list. So after line number 7 it will move to line number 8. In line number 8 there is a print statement. What? Print parenthesis double quotation backslash t list within called function after all changes colon quotation double quotation close comma my list. Means when this print statement will execute it will print the complete message, and my list means after removing 5, so we will get what? In list we will get 1 comma 2 comma and 1. Like this we will get. So after line number 8 it will move to line number 9, means return statement. So it will move to main statement, means line number 13, because line number 12 is what? Function call. Here the function call is completed. Due to function call we have moved inside the function body and all the calculation is performed. So when the function is completed it will return. So it will move to line number 13 here. So in line number 13 there is a print statement. What? Parenthesis open double quotation backslash t list after function call colon after that comma list 1, means this complete message will printed. And list 1, the value of list 1 previously it was what? 1, only 1, but due to some calculation the value of list 1 is changed to 1 comma 2 comma 1. Why? This is due to mutable type. In mutable type the value is changes but the memory address is not changes. So if any changes in value inside the function body will also reflect, means also seen in the main function, means main body, means top level statement. So see here, output is given, means this message will printed first. This is inside the main function, means list before function call, the value is 1. After that when it will move, when there is a function call it will move to inside the function body. So it will print this one, means in line number 2 this is print statement of line number 2. So it will print normally like this, and after that in line number 3 there is another print statement. So it will print like this. Here the print statement is what? Backslash t list received comma my list. Here till here the value of my list is what? 1. So it will print like this. After that in line number 4 and 5 there is calculation of addition, means we are using append method and extend method. So there is another print statement in line number 6. So this is due to line number 6 we are adding here, means here we are performing addition. So see here, due to this print statement the values changes. Previously it was only 1, now it changes to 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 1. After this we are removing, means we are using what, remove method in line number 7. So due to remove method it will remove, we are removing what, 5. So it will remove. So there is, in line number 8 there is another print statement. So in line number, when the line number 8 will execute, it will print what, backslash t is there, list within called function. See here, list within called function comma after call changes, means see this complete message will printed. And see here the value is changes. Why? Because we are using the remove method. So previously it was 1, after that addition, after addition it is converted to 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 1, and after remove, means after deletion, it is again changes to 1 comma 2 comma 1. After that the function is completed, means there is a return statement, so it will move outside the function body, means in the main body, means top level statement. In last line, in line number 13, there is another print statement, means this print statement is outside the function. So print statement, inside print statement there is list after function call. See here, list after function call, and we are getting the change value, means 1 comma 2 comma 1, the value which we were getting inside the function body, we are getting same as outside the function body, means in main statement. So the value got changes from 1 to 1 comma